Welcome to the fourth video in our Open Fender System Installation Guide series for the 2017 Ford Super Duty. In this video, we will be going through the process needed to install the inner fender. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This product is for off-road use only. All liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional use only. Chapter 6, Step 1. Locating the inner fender placement holes. We will begin by reinstalling the wiring harness to the frame. With the help of one other person, place the inner fender into position and mount it to the top portion of the reinforcement bracket. Next, go to the bottom portion of the inner fender and mark your drill hole. Remove the inner fender from the mounting position and use a center punch to mark your drill location. Then use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill a pilot hole. Step up to a 17 and 32 inch bit and finish drilling out the mounting location. Chapter 6, Step 2. Installing the inner fender. Insert the rivet nut into the bottom mounting hole using an impact driver and ratchet wrench. Finally, mount the inner fender in a position from all mounting locations using the hardware provided in the kit. You are finished with mounting the inner fender on the driver's side. All steps in the process will need to be repeated on the passenger side. You can now move on to Chapter 7.